Mag TVETS dhi nyime kod kao nafas motegno e chenro mag dongruok pacho kae. Nitiere luoro ewi kwan jopuonjre mandikore ne donjo e kuonde tiegruok go ma bende kod somo lonygi opogore e ka tiegruok Mandaragwa Technical and Vocational Training College. Masinde mag somo manegogi ni malo sani koro oling ma onge jopuonjre. Gino ma bende koro kelo luoro ne jotelo mawuok e gwengego. Kaluwore gi principal ma kar tiegruok no Margaret Mudhoni, kwan rowere mane ondikore matriwore kod kar tiegruok no ni piny kata odok ni piny owacho to notiyo gomenda mathoth e nyiewo masindego. Kar tiegruok no nitiere kod thuolo mar kawo jopuonjre e kinde 700 kod 1,000. Kata kamano mano jopuonjre 100 kende emoseriwore kodgi. Jod bura Mandaragwa George Gashagwa osingo mar siro rowere 100.
So being less than 100, we actually enrolled. So we want the parents to know about us, and they also now know the benefits that can accrue to their students enrolling in our college. Yeah, the main problem with enrollment is that parents are not aware of the benefits of having their students acquiring these skills, because they are skills that can lead them to self-employment, not necessarily being employed. After they have gotten the skill, they can actually go and start their own businesses.
It is so worrying that the place doesn't have enough students, and the government used over 60 million to construct it. I want to appeal to the parents in the Ramogi to bring students here to undertake their diploma technical courses, so that we can arm them with tools to be employed or to self-employ themselves. I can attest that some big economies in the world came to being because of such technical courses. We are not supposed to be importing technicians, whereas we have a facility like this that can teach them locally and